Nobody get to talk about what is happening in Onitsha main market. Look at all the young boys, Igbo boys that is in that market hustling. Young boys. If this kind of guys, this kind of age of boys is in that market hustling, tell me why Nigeria is supposed to be heavy on these people. Yoruba youths such age, Hausa youths such age are inside bush, are inside nowhere, doing nothing, walking around the street begging for money in Lagos, doing Hausa doing bandits. But look at Igbo youths, see as they are small, but they are still trying to make a good version of their life. Look at them inside business, trying to get tomorrow life okay. But these people still they worry these people, still they disturb these people, still they bring these people down. What kind of human being Nigeria is? Look at Pella is doing good. These people try to bring him down. I know Pella is not an Igbo boy, but at least why people hate progress of yours follow speed that come to Nigeria have not even up to all these guys. But these people put speed in the highway. Even people that senior speed, if people make them cannot even reach to follow speed talk.